Yeah, this week USDCHF Technical Analysis. Okay, yes, this is forming still. Yeah, okay, no problem. Initially, look for buy setup. Any buy setup, it will buy setup. Look for buy setup. This one. Look for USDCHF. Look for buy setup. Anything. After reaching this one, be careful. Maybe you can close 60% or 50% your trade. Then you can keep it. Move the stop loss to break even. Then look from the sale setup from here. Okay. Initially, look for the buy setup.